Hi, let me introduce you to my final project. Um, Firstly, it is a Twitter project for the Phoenix server. We have it is based on the Phoenix framework. We have the model controller channel, and firstly, it is a model for the three table in database. So in database, it is a user table and relation table. That means who subscribe to another user, and this is for the Twitter content. Um, then is a controller. For the register controller, it is for the registration. So people can use the RESTful API to post their account and password, and also the public key to the server, so that the server can store their information in the database. And then once the user have already registered, so he can sign in. So we provide the sign in WebSocket channel. So people can sign in here, and it will do some authentication check to see if it is a valid sign in. And once it's all done, the user can do some operations like subscribe, unsubscribe, and show the friends status, pound Twitter, add Twitter, and also publish new Twitter with the optional at or pound, and retweet for other users' Twitter. And let me show you how to run it. So once the Phoenix and the database is already stored in your computer, you can run the Mix Phoenix server to start the server. So it is already started. And then open the Twitter client project. So in this project, it simulates user that do some operation on it. First is the register. So a user without an account can register through this API, and it will generate the public key based on the RSA 2048 to get the public key, and the account's password send it to the server. So after it's done, it can do some operation like connect to the server. That means join the WebSocket channel, and then he can do some operations like new tweet, subscribe, unsubscribe, and show tweet. So we do it together to show you how it is work. Then let me introduce to you how to run these operations. So first run the IEX smix, and then call this API register. For the account, you need to give two parameters. One is the account and another is a password. So okay, so this is the result because it is a JSON-based API. So each of the operation, the server gets your request. It will do all the operation you can see here. So once it is done, it will show you it is successful. So because it's a series of operations, so there are multiple log here. The publish is success, subscribe is success, and once it is success, it will send the JSON-based result to the client. We don't have the user interface here. If we have the UI here, this can be shown in the the front end page. So I just show you the JSON-based result. Firstly is here the publish a new tweet. So this is new tweet here. The content is the hi I'm the UIG. Then in the database, it is okay. So you can see it here. The new content is adding, and for other operations, you can also show the JSON-based result. This is for subscribe. It will show you the subscribes account, and again it show you your friend's content. It will be changed because you just subscribed another account, and here is show you unsubscribe, and the the pound account's Twitter and the account, which is showing database, is the relation database also have no change because you subscribe and unsubscribe. But in the user database, you can see you have already registered an account here, and this is the public key that for the authenticate usage.